What's up, guys? This is just a girl who likes crypto and stocks. Thanks for tuning back into my channel. If this is your first time here, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel by tapping that notification bell, and oh yeah, share this out to the metaverse and beyond. All right, y'all. Small disclaimer here. I am not a financial planner and this is not financial advice. The contents on my channel is strictly for entertainment purposes. Whenever you are investing in cryptocurrency or stocks, it is your responsibility to do your own research and due diligence and never ever take financial advice from a random person on YouTube. That being said, let's roll into the program. I did promise you guys that I will be coming out with my stock picks. I have a great stock pick for today. I've been in it for a while, but recently it blew up because of an article that got published on Forbes. I'm going to take you over to that, but just to show you what it is, let's go straight into it. I'm currently using the Wealth Simple app right now for stocks, for buying and selling stocks. I really love the Wealth Simple. I am not affiliated with them, but they do offer zero commission whenever you are buying and selling, and amount for you to no minimum amount for you to deposit. Just sign up. It takes about 10 minutes of your time. Fund your account and automatically you can start trading stocks like Apple, Amazon, Google, whatever you like. It's there. And if it's not there, it's going to be there soon, shortly. Currently, right now, I'm going to go into my personal account. I don't know why, but when you start, they put you in a personal account and then later on you can go into a TFSA and RRSP. But right now, when I first started the account, it was a personal account. So I have pretty much every stock that I can think of in this account. And one of the stocks I had picked was an NFT stock called Coin. I'm super big, as you guys already know, into crypto, and I like to think of myself as a diversified investor. So I like cryptocurrency, yes, but I also like the companies that are producing and making great efforts and great ways into the cryptocurrency space, because I do believe that is another $1 trillion industry that's going to pop up. You have miners, you have ETFs, you have hedge funds coming into this. So there's so much plays you can make just on cryptocurrency alone. One of them is Coin Tokens.com Corp. It is not Coin on the NASDAQ. This is Coin Canadian. It is on the Neo Exchange. And basically this company, if you go scroll right down, this company is called Tokens.com Corp. It is a blockchain technology company that provides transaction processing and validation services for various digital assets using proof of stake or staking technology. It develops decentralized finance, otherwise known as DeFi, applications that provide automated and transparent financial services such as borrowing and lending, and non-fungible token platforms that redefine how art, game, music, and collectibles are created, valued, and treated. So it had a couple of keywords in there for me when I was looking at it. It had DeFi and it had NFT. We know that DeFi is the space, decentralized finance, where you can go and stake, lend, borrow, earn yields back on your money. And NFT is another huge sector that's going bananas right now, because that is just allowing a whole lot of artists to be able to pretty much kind of cut the middleman out and go straight to the consumers and present their art, whether it's a book, a picture, music, whatever it is. You've definitely seen and celebrities and sports fans just going into this space, because this is where they get to collect some memorabilia of their favorite celebrity or a sports person. So that's completely huge, and that's why I like it, because it's going forward. This is one of my long-term plays. It is a small cap though, as you can see right here. The market cap is only 111 million. Not bad, but it is a bit of a small cap. Its current price as of today is $1.61. Now, I have been in this play since it was roughly May. Yeah, so not too far long gone. So May, I first got it at 68 cents, and I wish I had packed up more, but I was just trying to set myself up in the cryptocurrency space, so I kind of forgot about it for a while. until I remembered and I thought, hey, need to put some more in here. So I went back on October 25th and I bought $50 worth. At the time, the price went up all the way to $1.08. And I thought, something is happening because normally you don't have such a huge price fluctuation unless there was news. Turns out there was some news. Forbes had written an article about them. Here's what they said. Tokens.com launches the first publicly traded company for DeFi and metaverse investment. If you scroll right down, oh, I don't want to scroll too far down. I'm sorry. Recently launched Tokens.com, Exchange Canada, um, New Exchange Canada is on a mission to connect public market investors to blockchain investments by investing in DeFi tokens such as BNB and DOT and NFT-based cryptocurrencies. By staking the additional return on investments beyond regular price appreciation, the company prides itself on investing in proof of stake tokens, which are more environmentally friendly than Bitcoin's proof of work energy intensified method. The company closed a pre-IPO investment, so we have a lot of people putting into this. Some of them you might know, like First Block Capital, Hive Blockchain Technologies, Power One Capital Group, Matthew Rosarick, the co-founder and chairman of Block, and just a whole other lot of people that are invested in tokens.com. And mainly it's because they went ahead and they purchased a 50% stake in Metaverse Group. Metaverse Group, founded as a joint venture between GDA Capital and Wolfest Woods, owns a portfolio of virtual NFT real estate properties in major blockchain-based metaverse, including Decentraland, Somnium Space, The Sandbox, Crypto Voxels, and Upland. The deal makes Tokens.com the first publicly traded company to venture into the metaverse. Tokens.com plans to further accumulate metaverse real estate through the Metaverse Group for the purpose of renting it out to interested brands and retailers. So, as you recently heard, that Facebook has changed its name to Meta, and Facebook wants to now enter into the metaverse. This completely takes tokens.com to another level because it now will be playing in that metaverse section. We definitely know with names like Decentraland and Sandbox that's a pretty good space because those are play to earn um, play to earn games that are on their blockchain and amazing platform. They have lots of subscribers and new subscribers every day. So I think this is a great space for them. We know the metaverse is huge and it has huge potential. So this right now is going to be a one of my long-term plays. It is a small stock, but I don't see it staying a small cap company for long with investors such as Hive Blockchain, Power One Capital Group. I think this is going to go far, and that's why I plan on putting more money into it before it takes off. Right now, I still see it as a bargain. This stock can easily go to $10 or more, possibly just because of metaverse. It's the future of it is impeccable. It will have some downside. However, I'm a long term investor, and this is one of my long term plans. Not financial advice. This is just my opinion here. I'm going to go ahead and purchase some coin, some tokens.com, and let you see how I do that. We're going to go into buy. Of course, right now it's telling me that it is currently volatile. Let's take a look why. Look at the volume, 1.36 million. The average volume is roughly 454,000. So this rarely moved before, but because of this news and the article written in Forbes, generated a lot of press and a lot of buying pressure right now. Obviously, it's a play for the metaverse, and people are taking notice and they're buying into it. Like I said, when I first got it, it was 68 cents. My second bought was 60 cents, and that was the last time before I bought it again, and it was already $1. So clearly, uh, it's taking shape and it's beginning to run. I want to get in on it now. I don't want to FOMO in this. It's only because this is one of my long-term plays. I do believe in it, and I think it's going to do well going forward. So we're going to go back into buy. I understand. Okay. Now, because it's running so high, I don't want to buy market buy, right? Because market buy, you can get it at a higher level, you can get it as a lower level, and because there's a bit of a delay in in the times of how you get it, you might pay a little bit more. So I like to do limit buy. Limit buy allows you to set the price of what you want to reach the stock at. Because it's moving so much, just because there's so much volatility, I may get it, I may not get it, but there's a wicked cool function on Simple that I like. So this is why I'm going to use a limit buy. I'm going to put it at $1.60 because I've seen it fluctuate between there, and I'm good with that. Um, let's see how much I can get. And I get 60. Yeah, that's fine with me. So we're going to buy 60 shares. Our estimated cost is going to be around $96. We're buying it for roughly at $1.60. So if the price should come down from $1.62 to $1.60, this is going to trigger my limit buy, and automatically I'm going to get this. I do have a little bit more funds, so maybe I just want to play around with it though. And let's check for 75. Too much. So what about 69? 69 it is, baby. All right, so we're purchasing 69 shares of tokens.com, otherwise known as coin. Right here is that little special thing I was talking about. It says your order will be executed at $1.60 per share or better if completed. Quotas are delayed by 15 minutes. That's what I was talking about. Whenever you choose to buy market buy, your quotes are delayed 15 minutes, so you may not get it at the price you had initially saw it for. You may pay a little bit more, and that's why I prefer to do limit buys, even if it's in a volatile stage. It's just it because the stock goes up and down, it fluctuates, and if it's volatile, it's even gonna more fluctuate. I don't want to pay more than what I have, so limit buy it is. The other thing I wanted to talk about is this little button right here I like to turn on. It keeps my order open until it's filled or until canceled. I acknowledge that the filled portion will be automatically canceled the same day at market close. So by turning this on, it keeps it there until the price hits 160. I believe it does that up to 3 months. If not, if the price doesn't hit 160, it will cancel back my order. I will get my money back. But it just lets the money just sit there until that price comes down to my limit price of $1.60. I'm gonna confirm the order, and that's it. Now, guys, there's one last thing. There's one last thing I wanted to let you know, and that's they do have a rewards that's going on right now. Basically, if you sign up on Wealth wealthsimple.com, Wealthsimple Trade, download the app, sign up. Takes less than 10 minutes, like I said, and fund your account right away. You get a chance to get a free stock. I get a free stock. You get a free stock. I get a free stock. We both win. I'm going to share my link down below. So go ahead, check it out, wealthsimple.com or Wealthsimple Trade. It's in the Google Play Store, or if you're on iOS, Apple, I don't even know if it's Apple Pay, Apple Store. It's in the Apple Store. So check it out, wealthsimple.com. That's how we do. If you like my channel, smash likes, subscribe. I'll have more back.